Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. Kung dati, gusto kong i-edit ang isang photo at gusto kong i-separate yung subject nung photo na yon, I always use the background remover here in Canva. Pero there is a new feature which we call the Magic Grab, wherein tutulungan tayo ni Magic Grab na i-move kung ano man yung subject ng ating photo. Kung itong photo na to ay isang layer lang, using the Magic Grab, gagawin niya ito into 2 layers. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, i-click nyo lang yung photo, tapos i-click nyo yung edit photo, and then nandito siya sa effects, and then hanapin nyo lang yung Magic Grab. So, ang gagawin natin is you click on that, and then ayan, na-detect ni Canva na ang subject ng photo natin is the coffee. So, the good thing about this Magic Grab is you can easily move kung ano man yung subject niya na halos walang palatandaan na na-edit siya. So, kung halimbawa, if you want to put it here, then pwede nyo siyang ilagay dyan. Then, subukan naman natin siya sa tao. Kung kanina, ginawa natin siya sa isang object, ngayon naman, let's try to use a person. So, the same process, you just have to click on the edit photo and then click on the Magic Grab. And then, hayaan natin si Canva na i-detect kung ano man yung subject natin dito. So, in this case, makikita natin na pati yung desk niya ay na-move. It's because na-detect ni Canva na yung kanyang background is medyo blurry siya. So, ayan, pati yung desk niya is naisama, which is for me is still okay. So, ngayon, in order for us to utilize this one, ano bang purpose nitong Magic Grab na to? So, is it only to move the subject of the photo? You can be creative as much as you want dito sa Magic Grab na to. So let's say we want to add an element with a text. So sabihin, example, pangalan niya is Maria Thompson. So let's just format this one. Ayan. So, and then ang pwede natin gawin dito is using the layers dito, we can now put the text at the back of the young lady. So, pwede natin ilagay dyan, and then let's just move this, resize this if you want. And then, there you go. So, dito sa Magic Grab, it allows us to create layers so that we can be more creative in creating our content.